Hello Armies, today we have got some emotional update about BTS J-Hope and his time in the military. Let's dive into details. Even when serving his mandatory military service, J-Hope has been keeping in touch with army recently. A senior in the army shared a photo of J-Hope in what seems to be barracks, and fans couldn't help but notice something special in the background. In the background of the photo, there is a glimpse of lockers and eagle-eyed fans quickly spot a 7 sticker of course. The number 7 holds immense significance as it represents 7 members of BTS. The sight of the 7 sticker got fans emotional, reminding them of the strong bond between the BTS members even when they are physically apart. It's a heartwarming connection that armies cherish. This isn't the first time a BTS member has subtly represented the number 7. Recently, during a performance medley by Jungkook, fans noticed 7 Jungkooks symbolizing each member of BTS. No matter where the BTS members are or what they are doing, 7 remains a powerful symbol of unity and army's unwavering support. It's a moment like these that make BTS journey even more special. Well, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. Hello.